So here we are in the dashboard of OLSP system. You must go and do the training. I would highly recommend you do the training for the free list building training, okay? After you've gotten your mega link, you go down, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see it there. So here are 4 videos. And when you go through all the videos, it's about 10 minutes, 12 minutes each. When you reach video number 4, at the bottom of the video, instead of saying join the Facebook group, it will say magic link. Okay, so you click on the magic link and you'll come through to this page. This page here is for you to access the magic link. Okay, done for you setup. So here's what you get with this $7 that you pay. You get your magic link delivered to your OLSP system account. You get all the training that you need to build the profitable system email list. A bonus 100 free clicks to start building that list. This is for the $7, right? And you will make those commissions magic link right out of the box within 48 hours. And you'll get a free trial of TD pages and access weekly live trainings inside the group. I don't have a working Visa card at the moment, so I can't actually access it. But if you're able to do that, go ahead and click it and do it, and you'll be making commissions very, very quickly with this system. So this month I have 138 points, and that puts me 93rd on the ranking list. So I'm making this video review. If it's accepted, my points will go up even higher, and that's why you should make a video too.